I'm Andrew Picard, founder of ZipTire. With ZipTire, I've created a service to completely change your experience when you need new tires on your vehicle by bringing the tire shop to you. In the traditional brick and mortar tire shop experience, you have to drive your car to a shop, negotiate with them about which tires to put on your car out of what they have in inventory or can get in quickly, and then wait while they swap those tires on your car. Typically that takes at least an hour, sometimes much more, and you're never sure that you really got the tires that you really should have on your car. Today with ZipTire, you can research your tires online or an expert consultation with us, order through us, and we'll bring those tires to you and install them wherever you are, at work, at home, at the golf course, or at the park. And you can keep working or relaxing while we're working. It's the ultimate in convenience. And while we prefer that you consult with us for expert, unbiased opinion on which tires to choose, you can also order tires online through any outlet, Tire Rack, Amazon, eBay, or anything else, and have those tires shipped to us or shipped to you, and we'll come and install those tires at your convenience. Our rates are competitive with quality neighborhood tire shops, and we use the very best in tire mounting and balancing technologies, Italian Corgi machinery, the same as they use in Formula One racing. After 20 years of pro race car driving myself and many years of training dealers across the country about tire technology, I created ZipTire to completely change the experience, to give people the best possible tires on their car, to give them the maximum possible value for their money, and to have the ultimate inconvenience. We're changing the way you change tires. It's about time.